Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I am back with another unboxing video. Today I have got F&D Swan 2 for you. F&D Swan 2, which is this. F&D Swan 2 is a beautiful speaker and it is designed for entertainment lover. It can be kept on your backpack or can be made to sit on your work desk, and definitely the look is fabulous. This Swan 2 Bluetooth speaker will be a center of attraction on your work desk. The Swan 2 has been designed to produce 360 surround sound. The equipped 2-inch driver is faced upward with a cone-shaped top pointed downward in order to produce a surround sound. Not really like Boss SoundLink Revolve where there are multiple speakers on each direction to produce surround sound. This one has only one speaker and a cone where it distributes the sound on an equal direction. Swan 2, let me just go ahead and quickly unbox this device so I can really show you what stuff we get inside and how is the sound quality. Also, I'll be doing a sound demonstration and then followed by my feedback. Yes, definitely I will recommend this product because it really has that great sound output and top of that and all the features. So definitely it's a yes, those who are planning to buy one. Easily available for 1600 in Indian market. So let me just go ahead and do the unboxing. So here starts the unboxing part. So we get two kinds of cable. This is the aux, and trust me, the aux cable which I am getting here, it looks quite premium and I'm really happy with the quality of this aux cable. The second thing which I see here in this box is this cable, which is a micro USB cable for charging this device. You can use your regular mobile phone charger because the port is same. So the next thing which I see here is the speaker itself. It's black color speaker which I have got. Here is the NFC logo. This is the speaker and F&D logo over here. Let me zoom that. And we have this touch sensitive buttons. This is Bluetooth, this is source, next, previous, minus, plus, volume, and this is the switch off on button, charging port and aux port. You can also plug a memory card. So the features which are written in the box is, let me read out that for you. So it says it has 2-inch full range driver, which is the speaker, world class Bluetooth, which is 4.0, 360 degrees sound field, which is again surround sound, NFC, and touch sense control panel. Here it says it supports Bluetooth and SD card. Hands-free calling is also possible because it does have a mic inside it. The total weight for this is 400 gram and the power output is 2.5. So this is all, and here is some logos: Bluetooth, NFC, SD card, music play, voice system, and battery information. So this is the switch on button.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
The clarity is really nice compared to other Bluetooth speaker which F&D has launched in past. As you know, I recently have reviewed W7. I was not really happy with it, but this thing really has a very good clarity. Let's go ahead and do some sound demonstration.
Aux mode. Micro SD card mode. Bluetooth mode. Aux mode. Micro SD card mode. Bluetooth mode.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So here was the sound demonstration for this beautiful speaker. Now who should buy this, and what are the best part about this speaker? So let's start with the look first. Definitely, if in case you want to set this Bluetooth speaker on your working desk, or maybe or at some place where it is quite visible, then definitely it's a yes. Now if I talk about the surround sound thing, this is the cone which I was talking about. So this cone is used to divide the surround sound all the way on all the direction. An FC logo over here. Now at a price of 1600, I would say this is a really piece of gem. Not because of the sound quality, or because of the look, because of its pretty touch volumes. So this is really beautiful. And also about this rubber grip, earlier I have reviewed W7, which has the same rubber grip, however at full volume that used to really shake at a higher volume. But this one, as you have checked on the sound test part, this speaker was literally on fire when I played some bass boosted music, and still the speaker was stable at the place. Now it really has a good bass in this speaker. Usually I do not see budget speaker or speakers under 2000 rupees has a good bass while playing music. Thumbs up for the build quality, thumbs up for the look, thumbs up for the function, which is the touch thing here. And of course it has bass while playing music, so that makes really more entertaining. While playing music, you really enjoy the music. So that's about the review for the speaker. Yes, it is a big yes for this Bluetooth speaker. Now definitely I'm planning to keep this speaker on my desk where I work because of the look. The only thing I am worried about is that, you know, this thing is like, it might break if in case.
Mode.
Okay, so if in case you are trying to gift it to your child which is below 10 years, don't do it, because end of the day you'll find this to be broken in two pieces very soon, because this looks like quite, this is how it looks. So in short, let me give you some pros and cons about this beautiful speaker. So the pros are, voice quality and music quality is extraordinary. The look is really beautiful, and this makes the speaker very special.
SD card mode.
And Bluetooth 4.0 really makes this a wonderful piece. So it's a good updated Bluetooth version. 2-inch speaker which really produce good bass effect while playing music. And yes, the battery really lasts about 4.5 hours or 4 hours, and I have tried it like a 4-hour playback, and it did manage to survive for 4 hours 40 minutes, yeah, to be precise. Now let me come to the cons. Bluetooth range is not that high as expected, so you can hardly go 5 feet. The touch sensitive button should have been better. It's good, but it should have been better. See, it does work, but it's again not that perfect. Here is the mic. I just noticed that thing. So let's end the video here. I hope you have liked the video. Do let me know in the comments if you have any questions related to this speaker or any other speaker. And don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed.